demonstrate how to add an image onto a plane, and that image is going to be the basic shapes. Firstly, we go to the sketch menu here at the top and click sketch. Then what we want to do is click on the front plane here, so it goes orange. When we select it, that fills that in for us. We go to the menu at the top here with our icons. We click this downward one here and choose Insert Image. We select that. Then what we need to do is search for the image. So we need to go down here to Import and select Import. You then need to navigate to where your image is, your basic shapes sheet that we did much earlier in the year. So if I grab one from here, I'm going to grab this one and I'm going to choose Upload. That then uploads into the software here. Okay, so we can see it and it's actually appearing right there now. So I can close this little notification box. Now what I need to do is pick that sheet, but I'm stuck in a 3D view. So what I want to do is if I press the N key on my keyboard, that normalizes my planes. I'm going to zoom out, hold down the middle mouse wheel, just move so I'm working in the middle. And I'm going to click once, and then that allows me to draw my sheet out. So here's my sheet. I'm going to click again to set the sheet. I can now move it, so I can move that now, and ideally I'm trying to get the sheet roughly in the middle of my planes. However, the only thing that we still are left to do is size, okay, and this is calibrating the size. Now what we need to do for this is pick one of them, one of these shapes, and give it a size. So I'm going to use the straight line tool. Let's use this one because this is just a cylindrical block, a cylinder. So if I zoom in and if I pick where the center line is, if I pick with my cross there at the top of the box, and if I drag down in a straight line to the bottom, okay. So as you can see at the moment, that's got this figure 23.152 and it wants to carry on. So if I press the escape key, I come out of that and the measurement disappears. So what we need to do is dimension. So we can either click on the dimension tool here or press D on the keyboard, click on the line and drag away. And then what we want to do is give the box a size. Now it's up to you. You could do it 50mm is a decent height, but in this instance I'm going to make mine 70. So 70. I hit enter on my keyboard. Obviously that makes it much bigger, so I now need to roll the mouse wheel towards me to zoom out. I'm going to press escape to come out of the dimensioning tool, and what I want to do now is try and get my sheet back in the middle. So I'm going to hold my left mouse button down on here, move it, and you can see there are my planes. So I'm going to move my sheet to be roughly in the middle like so, and then I can tick the green tick to accept my work, spin my work around, and now I'm ready to model.